the iconic spacecraft that captivates the hearts of interplanetary travel enthusiasts is back in the spotlight. Recently, we faced the possibility of losing communication with Voyager 1. On December 12, 2023, NASA revealed that the flight systems of Voyager 1, composed of 3 onboard computers, began transmitting nonsensical binary data back to Earth. These data formed a repetitive pattern of ones and zeros that made no sense to the engineers. When the malfunction initially occurred, engineers were still able to send signals to the distant probe and had confirmation that it was continuing to operate, but something was clearly not right. NASA's first step was to try resetting the system, but that was ineffective, and the probe continued, speaking nonsense. After exhaustive months of attempts and various approaches, NASA engineers finally managed to devise a solution. Let's take a closer look at the Voyager 1 probe to understand the enormity of the challenge faced by the engineering team in solving the problem. First of all, it is impressive that the Voyager 1 and 2 probes have been traveling through space for nearly 47 years. NASA has been doing everything possible to keep these probes operational, not only to collect as much information as possible about interstellar space, but also in the hope that they will remain active for their 50th anniversary in space. Launched on August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 preceded Voyager 1, which launched on September 5, 1977. This makes them the oldest active space probes still in operation. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Voyager probes is that they were originally designed to last only for years. When the communication failure with Voyager 1 emerged, NASA engineers feared it was the end of contact with the probe, an extremely tense situation. Certainly, losing communication with Voyager 1 would be a great loss, as this spacecraft has played and continues to play a crucial role in our discoveries and understanding of the cosmos. Voyager 1 has made remarkable discoveries since its launch. For example, it revealed that Io, one of Jupiter's moons, was not just a dead rock, but an active volcanic world. The processed image of a volcano erupting in space surprised everyone and was a major revelation for NASA scientists. Additionally, Voyager 1 captured stunning images of Saturn and suggested that Titan, the largest moon of this planet, might have liquid water on its surface. But what exact event occurred with Voyager 1 that caused the communication failure? It was discovered that a critical system had failed. The Voyager 1 flight data system, a vital component that allows the spacecraft to operate autonomously during its journey through deep space, had encountered problems. Currently, the probe is an impressive 15.5 billion miles away from Earth, making any communication with it a remarkable feat. The failure occurred in the flight data system, responsible for collecting, processing, and transmitting the scientific data obtained by Voyager 1 back to Earth. This system, composed of several components, acts as the central nervous system of the spacecraft, coordinating its subsystems to ensure continuous and efficient operation. After months of investigation, NASA engineers finally discovered the cause of the problem with Voyager 1. Approximately 3% of the flight data system's memory was corrupted, possibly due to charged particles in deep space or the probe's advanced age. Without the possibility of fixing the damaged chip, engineers opted for a creative approach. They divided the corrupted code into smaller parts and distributed these fragments into free spaces in the system's memory. The first fix was transmitted to Voyager 1 on April 18th. With a total of 30 billion miles to cover round trip, the NASA team had to wait nearly 2 days to receive a response from the probe. On April 20th, 2024, much to the relief of the team, NASA received confirmation that the fix had worked. Now, engineers will have to rewrite the remainder of the lost flight data system code in the coming weeks, which will include commands to restore the probe's ability to send important scientific data back to Earth. This is not the first time the probes have faced failures during their long years in space. In August 2023, NASA lost contact with Voyager 2, but communication was restored a few days later. NASA engineers had to shut down some of the probe's systems to conserve power. Currently, Voyager 1 has 4 out of 10 operational instruments, while Voyager 2 has 5 out of 10 still active. To save power, engineers shut down heaters and other systems, prioritizing the high-gain antenna, which is the main point of contact for the probes with Earth. Instruments such as magnetometers and charged particle detectors remain active and continue to send valuable data. The thrusters and radioisotope thermoelectric generators, which use plutonium-238 to provide power and keep the probes warm, have been crucial to the mission's longevity. However, there is a limit to the lifespan of these generators. Eventually, they too will cease to function, ending the probe's missions forever. Even when the probes fall silent, they will still serve a purpose. Both carry a message from Earth to other advanced civilizations that may be out there. The Voyager golden records, phonograph records aboard the probes, were intended to provide a snapshot of Earth and its inhabitants to any extraterrestrial intelligences that might find the probes in the future. The records include recordings of Earth's natural sounds, greetings in 55 languages, and musical selections from different cultures around the world, as well as coded images depicting various aspects of life on Earth. Curated by a committee chaired by the late Carl Sagan, the records were designed to withstand billions of years of space travel. And to end with a mind-blowing curiosity, Voyager 1 is moving away from us at about 38,000 miles per hour and Voyager 2 at 35,000 miles per hour. However, part of each year, Earth, in its orbit, swings toward the spacecraft, moving toward them faster than they are moving away at 67,000 miles per hour. This cyclical motion makes Earth momentarily reduce the distance between it and the spacecraft. An impressive reminder of the celestial dynamics that shape our solar system. Both Voyager probes continue their missions of exploring interstellar space and transmitting valuable scientific data back to Earth. They represent not only an impressive technological achievement, but also a testament to human ingenuity and imagination, which made the creation and sending of these probes beyond the confines of our solar system possible. That's all we have for today, but stay tuned for more updates on the Voyager probes. Do you want to stay on top of all the fascinating discoveries and updates on humanity's most incredible space missions? Then don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to our channel to receive exclusive content directly in your inbox. Join us on this journey of knowledge and discoveries in the universe. Your curiosity will thank you.